Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Flutter for Beginners series. Now that we have created the app bar and bottom navigation bar in Flutter, in this video we will learn how to add an image to a Flutter app. So let's get started. Before adding an image we will have to find one. So let me open the browser and search for a car image. Let me click on images. Let's select the first one. Now on this image, just right click and then click on copy image address. Let me minimize the window and go back to VS Code. Now let's find a place to put our image. Let me create the body of our app just under the app bar. So type in body and then image. Since we are getting the image from internet, we will specify network source here. Now inside the source, I will just paste the link I just copied before. Make sure at the end of the link there is an image file extension such as PNG, JPG or JPEG. Otherwise the link won't work. Now let's go back and save the file. As you can see, there is a car image inside our Flutter app. It's that easy. Now if you want to add an image from a local source, you can do that as well. To do that, first we'll create an assets folder inside our root directory. Inside this folder, we'll create another folder. Let's call it images. Now we'll add an image in this folder. You can add as many images as you want. Let me select this lake image and drag it inside the images folder. As you can see, now we have this image inside our Flutter project. Let me close it. Next we'll edit the pubspec.yaml file. In this file, just scroll up and down until you find the Flutter packages. Under this Flutter, just press tab and type in assets. Then under assets, press tab again and put a dash. And then with a space, just type in assets / and the folder of our images. So I'll type in images. Now let's save this file. It will update our Flutter project to include the required packages. If it doesn't work for you, just click on the downward arrow icon. Now let's go back to our main.dart file. And this time we'll remove the network source. And type in asset. Inside the asset we'll include the local image. So let me type in assets / images / and then the name of our image, which is lake.jpg. Now let me save this file by pressing Command S or Ctrl S in Windows. As you can see, now we have a new image inside our Flutter app, which is sourced from the local storage. You can also change the height and width of this image and do some other stuffs like centering this image. To center the image, just right click on image and then click on refactor and then wrap with center. Now if we save this file, as you can see, the lake image is now at the center of our Flutter app. So that's it for today. This is how you can add an image to a Flutter app. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.